do a guided tour when you come to Hawaii or Kauai, but when you're on Kauai, you gotta do the Napali Coast. Either sunset sail, snorkel, combine it with whale watching, whatever you gotta do. We are out right now with Holo Holo Charters doing the Napali Coast sail and snorkel. Are you having a good time, buddy? We got the Napali cliffs right behind us. It is gorgeous. Hi, I'm Jordan.
Hi, I'm Erica.
And this is the Hawaii Vacation Guide. And who are you? And we got Henry right here. All right, buddy, where's our snorkel boat? There it is.
No.
That looks like fun. No. Kayak, power raft, sailboat, private charter, kayaking. There's so many ways to see the Napali Coast, and there's so many tours you can go on, right? You got Captain Andy's Blue Ocean Tours, Kauai Sea Tours, Makana Charters, Poly Riders, oh, Blue Dolphin Charters. Today, though, we are going out with Holo Holo Charters because we think they got the best family-friendly tour, and they have a secret weapon on their boat.
That's our boat.
That's our boat. So we're heading out on the Layla. It's a 50-foot sleek catamaran, and it's built by the owner, Kevin, I believe, and he's a third-generation boat builder. It's a fast little boat. It gets up to 20 knots when they're motoring, or 15 knots when they get the sails up. We're off.
That's off. Let's go.
Oh, there's one over there.
Yes. Oh my God, it's a baby dolphin.
So they can have babies any time of year.
All right, so on this tour, you will see a lot of marine life. You can see spinner dolphins, you can see turtles, and during whale season, you can even see whales.
All right, here we go. Getting close to the Poly. Round to the corner, past the beach.
This is beautiful.
All right, as every tour says in Hawaii, the pool is open.
We are ready to go.
Snorkel gear.
Right, they provide snorkel gear, but there are still a few more things you will want to bring with you. So make sure you pack towel, maybe a little jacket, especially in the morning, it gets a little chilly. Bring some protective clothing, also mineral-based sunscreen. They provide some, but it's always good to have your own as well. Wear your swimsuit on. You can bring shoes, but they will have you check them at the dock before you leave.
This thing is awesome. See you, buddy. The cloud is behind the Poly right now, so it's a little shady here. We'll see what it looks like down there. Okay, have fun.
And if this tour looks fun to you, make sure you click the link in the description below to learn more and book. This is a direct booking link with Holo Holo Charters, and booking directly with them through us really helps us out and helps us make more of these awesome videos. So we're done with snorkeling, and so now the rest of the boat ride, we are going up the Napali Coast, checking out caves, going under waterfalls. They're giving us some history and some information about this area, and we are seeing this spectacular coast, which you cannot drive to. So you can get here by boat, you can hike in, you can do a helicopter, but that's the only way you're gonna see this.
All right, about to go underneath the waterfall. Whoa.
That was cold. Fucking really cold.
You see the birds ducking in and out of it. What tunnel's the treasure? That one. We're going down that tunnel. The pirate treasure's in there. Wait, why is he backing up? Oh, look at that. Here we go. Look at that Napali.
All right, so this tour, obviously, you're coming on it. The snorkeling is good, the slide is good, but this is what makes it so special. This is absolutely my favorite part, is seeing these cliffs. One thing though, you definitely want to prepare yourself. This is a commitment. This is a long day tour. There is some seasickness on this boat. Take your Dramamine. Like, this is an adventure. So this tour is 5 hours long. They use this same boat for the sunset cruise, which is 4 hours long because you don't do the hour of snorkeling. They also have a 7-hour snorkeling tour that Jordan went on and made a video for. Click below to book all of these. We have links to all these great tours.
You're doing great, buddy. Oh, you switch hands. You dancing?
There you go.
You dancing, man? Continental breakfast, deli-style lunch, which is delicious, snorkeling, going to the Kauai Valley, and a sleepy child.
Coconut or sugar?
Coconut, please.
We had a great time. We hope you had a good time. Click the link to learn more about this tour. Thanks a lot for riding with us.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Are you fishing? Are you fishing with the noodle?
You got the full side.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go. Why did you let it go? Because it was my fault. With the did it like this.